flash. Watch him now. Look at him skip. He's got one. Oh, he's going to go for the other knife edge on the next one. He's got it. He got all of them, ladies and gentlemen. A big round of applause. Jet-powered 57 seconds with engines from the North American T2 Buckeye. 12,500 pounds of thrust from those engines, turning it up to 25,000 horsepower. And we're going to have a race. Now here's the deal. Skip Stewart is going to have an opportunity to have a diving start. He'll come down. Who knows how fast he's going to will have a standing start, but he can get up to 300 miles an hour. Now here's the other deal. I don't really care who wins the race. I want you to make sure that you get your cameras on this, holding it sideways. Skip's still ringing it out. He's slowing down. Let's see what happens on this. He's coming down in knife edge. He's coming slow. Let's see what happens at show center. Going over the blues. Oh yeah! How do you like that? World record, a wall of fire at 16,000 feet, 44 feet long. 16,044.3 feet precisely.
Leonardo helicopter, Cox Communications,
King Aero Management Group.
Yeah, I'm sitting right up here.
He's coming down in knife edge. He's coming slow. Let's see what happens at show center. Going over the blues.